Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my all-time favorite recipes, a quick and easy strawberry shortcake. Starting off with chopped organic strawberries, angel bread dessert shells, and next my homemade whipped cream. Here I'm starting off with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Next, I mix on high until I get a thick consistency. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. I start off with a layer of whipped cream, top it with strawberries, add another layer of whipped cream, and then top it with strawberries one more time. Lastly, I topped it with whipped cream, but you can get creative and add whatever other topping you like. And here you have it, some delicious, easy strawberry shortcakes. Okay, but wait, let's see if my little one approves. And his smile says it all. He approves. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more of my recipes, please be sure to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.